Today, a new ANOVA handheld console has been introduced. More precisely, AYANEO has announced the successor of AYANEO NEXT. Good morning, and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want, take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. In few time, the Chinese company has introduced various new excellent gaming handheld consoles, quickly coming to 6 models, each one with a different system configurations. Currently, the lineup of AYANEO includes the AYANEO Air, Air Plus, Air Pro, AYANEO 2, 2 Geek, AYANEO Slide, AYANEO 2021 and AYANEO Next. Talking about, recently Arthur Zhang through a live broadcast on YouTube, Weibo and Station B has revealed the successor of the next gaming handheld console, the AYANEO Next 2. Comparing to the first generation, the Next 2 improving any its point. As we see in the first picture released, the shell of console has grew, changing the shape and dimensions. The handles have been enlarged to host at best all buttons. On the right there are the analogic stick, the 8-way D-pad and start and select buttons. While on the opposite side there are the action button X, Epsilon, A, B and the second small all joystick. Similarly to the Steam Deck, the new AYANEO Next 2 will be the first AYANEO handheld console to be equipped on both handles of 2 built-in touchpads. These will be completely removable and here completely upgradable. Passing to the back, the Next 2 has a new shaped handles. Here we can see how on the new AYANEO the materials are wisely used according to the function. Frontally and on back the shell adopts a slightly rugged plastic except of the final lower part of the handles, where a relief texture has been used to improve the grip. Always on back there are 4 paddles, 2 for each side. A small plate acts as a convenient support to position the console vertically. On the underside there is a wheel for adjusting the volume, the speaker and the socket for charging the console. At the top we find the shaped triggers LB, LT, RB and RT, on-off button, USB ports, 1 Type A and 2 Type C and 2 other which, however, we cannot say if they are 2 air vents or memory locations such as a 4 SD card. The wall is reached by a long RGB LED light signature that goes from one end of the side to the other. Another interesting thing of the AYANEO Next 2 is the presence of a camera near the big display, which inches dimension have been not declared. The Chinese company declared that the AYANEO Next 2 is the most powerful Windows handheld gaming console in the world and always the first that will mount a dedicated discrete GPU. Regarding the specification, the Next 2 will be available on 2 versions with different specifications. The first configuration features a system based on Intel with Alder Lake CPU and Intel DJ2 GPU. So this model will be the first handheld to host the new Intel Arc GPU. Instead, the alternate configuration is constituted by AMD with AMD Ryzen 6000 series CPU and the AMD Radeon RX 6000 mobile series GPU. This system will have all RDNA2 architecture beneficts, including the ray tracing hardware and the infinity cache. Plus, comparing to the previous generation architecture, the new Next 2 will enjoy a 50% of performance improvement with power consumption less than 34%. Finally, the release date of the AYANEO Next 2 has not been announced, like as the price that remaining unknown, but being positioned in the top premium range together like the AYANEO Next, it is likely that it will be sold at a higher price than the later, therefore greater than the $1,500 US. Well, that's all for today. Waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching. See you again next time.